Right, so let me start by saying my expectations when I came here were really to fix a lot of challenges that I was having with trading. When I first came across Oscar about 7-8 years ago, and I've been watching his videos for a long time, I wasn't really sure whether he was real or not, to be honest with you. And even when I spoke to him on the phone and parted with my hard-earned money to come to camp, I was skeptical. I can safely say that having now been at camp for the last 5 days, not only does Oscar have an immense amount of integrity, but he is a fabulous trainer, and not only has he helped to fix a lot of the challenges that I think I have, and really taught us an amazing approach to trading futures, but he also opened up his home, and just by interacting with his family and the hospitality that we've received has been second to none. So I cannot speak highly enough about the experience I've had over the last 5 days, from where we've been able to stay, to the quality of the training, to how involved and one-to-one the training has been from Oscar, through to the food that we've been given every day. I've probably put on about 5 pounds since I've been here, but hey, it's all been worth it. So I can truly say that I would highly recommend anyone who is struggling with trading to come and, to be honest, learn from a professional. There are a lot of people out there who imitate, but Oscar really is a real deal, and I think if you come out here and you spend time with him, you will very quickly realize that you know, when Oscar says that he's imparting 39 years of his experience to his OMNICAMP attendees, he really is doing that. The things that you will learn here, it is very clear that this is years and years of experience that has been boiled down into something very simple for everyone to be able to follow, as long as you follow it. So I am going to be eternally grateful for the knowledge that I've received here. It is really down to us now to execute against the things that we've been taught, and to be honest with you, I have only high hopes for what we can now achieve. But thank you, Oscar, thank you, Lisa, thank you, Natalie, thank you, Mikey, and thank you, Olivia, for your hospitality and for giving us this great wisdom, to be honest with you. So again, thanks very much.